Welcome back, guys. Let's see what we're working on today. This is a 2015 Ford Focus. I think it's 2015. TCM's bad, so let's get to it. We're going to pull this airbox out. So first we have the clamp right here. Maybe. I'm gonna get that. I need two hands. Then you have this hose. You just push in that blue part and pull. And then you got that guy. You just pull. Do one of those. That releases it. And we're gonna pull this off of the throttle body. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull this. Pull that little red thing, and then you can see the thing that you push right below it. And this just goes right there. Pull that off, and then this is just kind of clipped in, so just pull up on it. So right there, and right there, and right there's TCM. So it's been replaced in this one before, but the codes say it's bad again, so we got to do it again. You're going to want to pull this guy out, which is a 10mm right there. Okay, now you have the two electrical connectors on it. There's a button that you push, and it releases that gray lever, and then like that, and then you can get it to come up. Let's do this top one, and that's when the top one is fully released. So here is a TCM. So you have one up top, that one down there, and that one. This is the short one, okay? So, in there 10 mils, so I'm going to go ahead and work on that. Okay, they're all out of there, so you should be able to just wiggle it out. Right like that. Alright, I need two hands. Okay. The O-rings like to stay inside the transmission, so make sure and pull those out and put some grease or something on there, transmission fluid, something on there to lube them up when you put it in. And it goes in there like this, so I'm going to go ahead and slide it in. Alright, and it will just kind of slide right in, and you're going to want to put the two side bolts in first, and just snug them up before you go crazy on them. Remember, you have one short bolt and three long bolts. The short bolt goes towards the back of the car. Alright, get those all snugged up. Now we can put that bottom connector in. Line it up and use your little thing, your lever. Now we're gonna put the top one back in. Move it in there. Alright. Grab this little guy and your 10 mil. I suck with my left hand. Okay, grab your airbox. What the hell? Alright, put your boot on. Put that on. do that. Grab this hose, clip it on, and clip it on. And tighten your clamp down and you're done. Oh no, this is like a 10-minute job. If you buy a used one, you shouldn't have to program it. If you buy a new one, you'll have to have it towed to a dealer and program it, or you can use ForeScan to program it. I'm not going through that on this one because I just bought a used one to see if this was actually a problem. Yeah, but anyway, like, subscribe, share us, ask questions. Deuces.